girls! Welcome to my sweet bridal boutique. I am Princess Annabella, and today we have a double magical surprise. We are drawing a gorgeous strawberry princess wedding dress for a royal wedding. But look, my drawing holds a secret power. It is going to transform into two different real-life doll couples. A sweet chibi doll couple and a beautiful Barbie doll couple. Who will wear the strawberry look best? Let's start sketching.
Drawing. Let's sketch our royal couple in a super easy chibi style. First, we draw the bride's lovely dress with a big sweet strawberry right on the bodice. Don't forget her long flowy wedding veil. Now for the best part, the strawberry patterns. We draw sweet polka dots all over the dress layers and the groom suit. Let's add little strawberries on the bottom of the skirt and a crown of fresh strawberries on her hair. This is so unique. Now, let's sketch the handsome groom right next to her, holding her hand. He looks so sharp. Coloring. Time to paint with sweet fruit colors. Vibrant strawberry red for the gown and suit, soft pink for the veil, and a touch of fresh green for the details. Now, let's activate the magic bridal sparkle. 1, 2, 3, wow. Look at all those shiny stars twinkling on the dress and veil. It's absolutely gorgeous. Girls? Transformation. Are you ready for the first transformation? Girls, let's use our sweet magic. 1, 2, 3. Plim, oh my goodness. Look at the real chibi doll couple. They have the cutest big eyes, and look at the real texturized strawberries on her satin dress. So adorable. And now, for the second surprise, Plim, wow. Look at the real Barbie and Ken doll version. Barbie looks like a top-model strawberry princess with her elegant long braid and sparkly veil, and Ken looks so handsome in his polka dot suit. Both realities are completely magical. Our strawberry wedding is a fairy tale success. Which couple was your favorite? Girls, the chibi dolls, or the Barbie dolls? Don't leave the wedding party yet. Click on the next video right now to unlock more magical coloring and dress-up adventures on our channel. See you there. Bye-bye.